So let's magically pack that all into this bag. Woo! Hi! Here we are today at Kingsbarns. Team Blister Sisters. This is the car park where we are at. Woo, yeah! Sun is shining, weather is sweet. Makes us want to move our walking feet.
Exactly.
Yeah. How you feeling, Pam?
Good, feeling pumped.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll show you the sights along our way. We're going from Kingsbarns around to Crail and Anstruther today, so different from the last walk. I think there's some caves, so we'll go and find out. Take you with us. Here we are, the Fife Coastal Path. Check out a beautiful view of the sea, the North Sea, sparkling in the sunshine for us. So it's quite a nice wee path that we've got here. It's a bit sandy. Look at the wee dog prints. Oh, cute. And there's a wee butterfly there flying beside Pam. Hi Pam, good morning to you.
Good morning.
And there is a golf course, Kingsbarns golf course, up ahead there, and a beautiful sandy beach. So this is Kingsbarns beach, where you can walk your dogs. And there's also a golf course if you want to whack some balls. Yes, so this is the toilets at the golf course part of the coastal path at Kingsbarns, where you can go to the 9th or 12th hole. Cute. Onto the beach. It says walk along the beach for the next half a mile. If the tide comes in, don't walk on the beach. But at the moment the tide is out, so we're fine. So let's do this. So we'll walk all the way along there, and we're at some rocks now, where some little birds were sitting on top of these rocks, but I think we've scared them off. Stopping for a refreshment. Some nice kind of cliffs here. Happy birds continuing along the actual sand. Come across some kind of caves. Let's take a closer look. Maybe not caves as such, but look at the layers of rock. Oh, compressed together, it's crazy. Wouldn't like that to fall down on us though. Let's keep going. Look at the beautiful colours of flowers. Seems to be us back on the path now, which is good. Off the beach and the stones and the sand, because it was getting a bit treacherous there on the ankles. So up that way is north to Aberdeen and Montrose and Dundee, and we are turning the corner on the map in Fife now. So this is the bit that jumps out the most of Fife, and in the distance there you can see the Isle of May. This is closer than we were in the last video to it. The Isle of May over there in the distance. Yep, and we're going to carry on round the headland here to Crail. So, I don't know if you heard that, somebody used to hit a golf ball. We didn't realise that there's still people playing golf here. This golf course must be massive. Anyway, there's something I noticed. I don't know if it's an old bomb shelter or something on this wee bit of the coast. Onwards towards these rocks we go. Oh. Just stopped for a wee cup of tea and a wee snack at this little bit we found with some benches. Quiet. We've just got the sound of the sea, the birds and the wind. Well, we have officially reached Anstruther and we are heading for some much needed fish and chips. We're going to go to the, is it called Anstruther Fish Bar? That is where we're headed, people. We are gonna get us some fish and chips. This is us at 10 miles now. And we're really needing to refuel. Just waiting in the queue for fish and chips. Yeah. We got the goods, people. Yeah. How is your fish and chips? Was it worth the wait?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Delicious.
Delicious! Woo! Oh yeah. Well, this is the first time I've tried Anstruther Fish Bar. I've had fish and chips from Whitby before and they were amazing. Really, 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 really good. Probably my second favourite too. My Anstruther chippy. What are you washing that down with today, Pam?
Nice Caribbean brew.
I love it. Traditional. Well, yeah. Hi, we're back. Not that a chippy wasn't enough for us, but we also decided that when in Rome, you just gotta go and get an ice cream again. Woo! Yummy! So, Here's our Pammy. Hi! She's just finished her ice cream there. Did it hit the spot, Pam?
It did.
It sure did. It hit that spot. So blowy the day, but it's nice because it's roasting. So nice to get a wee breeze. It smells like Chinese food. Yum. We just had a chippy and it was amazing. The fish was delicious. And that is us left. Anstruther, we're in Cellar Dyke just now. Making our way back to the coastal path, the proper coastal path. So yeah, met a nice couple. The chap was from Cooper originally. And he'd been to Belbaxter High School, which is where I went to, and Pam, she'd went to Belbaxter too, and his wife, she'd done a mighty hike not that long ago, down the Thames one, so good for her, woo, her and her friend. And then we met some ladies that were getting their fish and chips at the same place we did, and they were from Kilmarnock. And they were very nice too, so shout out to them. It was nice chatting with you. Water sports in Cellar Dyke, paddle boarders, kayaking, no, whatever you want to do, do it. Beautiful, beautiful.
Alright, darling.
Beautiful clouds. We're nearly there. I think we've done about 12 miles. We're at 12. We've spotted some birds, which we think might be puffins or something. Totally don't know. Zooming right in on them. They're pretty massive anyway. Huge. Cool. What are you? Smart as anything though. You're a long way from home if it's the Isle of May that you live on properly. You're away from home, your home is over there. Woo! Anyway, let's crack on. Woohoo! We are walking. The sea is over there. You can just see it over that field.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. See you. We're walking along the A917 because we were going to get cut off by the tide, and we decided, woe betide us. We don't want that to happen, so we're just going to walk on a road instead. Woohoo! These guys are saying, well done. You made it to Kingsbarns. We did. We made it back to Kingsbarns. Hi guys, you're so cute. Hi. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Hi, you're the friendliest cows in the world. Right, we've got to go and find the car. Bye. Woo. So we made it to Kingsbarns. It's a bit windy. Don't know if you can hear me, but we're on our way back to the car, which is just round this corner coming up here. You can see the sea there. We think we've probably done about 20 miles. I'll work it out later for you and let you know. But yes, we're nearly there. So we found that today a lot of walkers have said hello, which is really nice. We always say hi to people.
Yeah.
Hi! Because like we would like people to say hi to us, so we say hi to them too, because like, you know, it's just nice. Give out what you want to receive, you know.
Yeah.
Spread the love, peeps. Yeah, we've met so many nice people today and had lots of good bants, and it's just been really nice. Hey,
Yeah.
it made it just like that bit more special.
Yeah. Oh, it's lovely.
It really has. Oh yeah. This is the longest road in the world, people. Or it feels like it anyway. Come on, come on.
Just round this corner.
That's what we've been saying for the last million corners, Pam. Crazy laughter. Oh, well, the car's still there. It's always a good sign. It's a good sign. Oh my god, I've never been so happy to see a car park in my life. Lots of camper vans here. Nice wee spot if you've got a camper. Plenty of room. Look, there's quite a lot of peeps. I don't know about the overnight parking situation. I'll see if there's a sign. I'll put it on my wee vlog here for you. But you get, if you're walking your dog or something, or just coming for 2 hours, it's free. If you're staying all day, which we are, it's £2. And I'll see what the overnight situation is for you in just a second. There you go, overnight parking, £10. That's good. Not too shabby. What a nice evening to end our walk. Yeah, until the next time, people. Bye for now.
Bye.
Well, that was really good walk today. Managed to get a bit of the sun, look. Oh, clearly I had not put any sun cream on that part of me. I put it on my nose and yeah, I got a bit of sun on my nose and my chin, but I did put some sun cream on. Anyway, it is what it is. Yeah, that was really good. Actually feeling not too shabby after that, but we'll see what we feel like tomorrow. It was really good. It was just, I mean, I think that we can definitely do this walkathon now. Run a bath and have a nice cup of tea with a wee sugar in it. Thanks for joining me and Pammy on our walking adventure. It really was an adventure with a bit of off-roading, and this is how many miles we did.